Assalamualaikum. I am Sayyida Meerap Imran, sitting here as the writer, director, and producer of my music video Zareen Parde Raze Hunar. I am sitting here to represent all the women in the world. The project title Zareen Parde Raze Hunar explores the hidden depths of femininity, focusing on how women's true talent and strengths are often concealed and misunderstood by society. Through symbolic visuals and music, the video aims to reveal, and celebrate the inner beauty, grace, and power that lie beneath the surface, challenging stereotype and encouraging a deeper appreciation of what it truly means to be feminine. A social group is defined as two or more people who interact with one and have similar characteristics and collectively have a sense of unity. Social issues are topics or concerns that impact many people. The social group I am representing in my music video is women. Even today, women continue to face inequality, social restriction. The reason I choose this topic is to advocate equality. As I believe, feminism is not about making women superior, but making them equal. Equality is not just a concept; it is a necessity. The question is not who will allow men. It is like who will stop them. Women are not fragile flowers. They are fierce force of nature. I strongly believe that women rise uplifting each other, and that's so true. Through my music video, I wanted to highlight that the most courageous act is to still think of yourself. My video conveys the message that all women should strive to be the person they need when they were younger. They should recognize that their voice matter and that they must use them. Some of the quotes that inspire me to pursue the idea include the most alluring thing a woman can have is confidence. And it's by Beyonce. Feminism is a radical notion that women are human beings, carries. A woman with knowledge is a force to be re-knocked with. Oprah Winfrey. My music video also addressed social issues such as gender stereotype, the misunderstanding of femininity, and cultural expectation. It challenged the notion that women should conform to social norm and highlight the importance of self-expression, independence, and self-confidence. The project emphasizes that femininity is not a limitation but a source of strength. Women should be free to define themselves on their own terms. Through its visuals and thematic element, Raze Hunar encourages conversation about empowerment, self-discovery, and breaking barriers. It serves as a reminder that women's identities are not shaped by social restriction but by their own choices and aspiration. Branding in my music video Zareen Parde Raze Hunar is achieved through a consistent visual identity, thematic depth, and symbolic storytelling. Every element from the natural aesthetic and symbolic feel to costume choice, location, and digital presence contribute to a recognizable and undefined brand that reflects theme of femininity, empowerment, and self-discovery. One of the most defining elements of branding in my video is the use of natural sunlight, of artificial lighting instead of artificial lighting. This choice enhances the raw, organic, and authentic feel of the video, symbolizing truth, self-realization, and inner strength. The reliance on natural light adds a timeless and realistic quality, making the visual appear more personal and emotionally resonate. The costume and setting also play a crucial role in reinforcing branding. The wardrobe is intentionally chosen to reflect traditional yet expressive attire, symbolizing the connection between cultural heritage and personal identity. The location, including historical and open spaces, add to the thematic depth by providing a sense of freedom, contrast, and transformation. These elements are usually visually consistent throughout the video, ensuring a strong and memorable identity. Beyond the music video itself, branding extends to digital platforms including YouTube, Instagram page, website. These platforms follow a cohesive aesthetic featuring symbolic imagery and meaningful captions and promotional content that align with the video theme. Teasers, behind the scene footage, and audience engagement posts reinforce the message, ensuring that branding remains consistent across different mediums. Symbolism and recurring motifs further enhance the branding. Elements such as mirror, movement, and transformation will represent self-reflection, personal growth, and breaking free from the social expectation. These symbols are not just used in the music video but also in promotional material, creating deeper emotional connection with the audience. By ensuring that all these elements, visual, social media presence, and audience engagement are consistently aligned, Razi Hunar established itself a powerful representation of feminine strength, individuality, and self-expression. The branding is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an experience that resonates deeply with the audience, making the music video more than just a real story but a moment of empowerment and self discovery. My music video is primarily aimed at women, while female of all ages can relate to it by recalling their past experiences. It's specifically targeted at young women aged 16 to 30, as many in this age group are in process of self-discovery, navigating societal expectation. This music video speaks to their journey, allowing them to see their struggles and reflect it on screens. I started engaging with my audience through my Instagram page, SMI Productions, after finalizing the script and concept of my for the music video. I began posting updates about the script writing process, the title, and the theme of the video. The response from young women was overwhelming. They appreciated the topic and resonated with its messages. This reassured me that I had chosen the right topic and right target audience, and my concept has a meaningful impact. The engagement dependent through social media interaction today, youth, both girls and women, like boys and girls, actively engage with social media content and raise their voices for social issues. My music video encourages this dialogue by using symbolic visual and that convey complex meaning and complex emotion and theme, by posting posters, teaser, trailer, and self-discovery, fostering curiosity and discussion. The narrative structure of my video is also a key factor in audience engagement. While it primarily speaks to young women, it also resonates with older women, particularly those above 30, as it reflects women's lifelong journey, self-identity, and social challenging by representing emotional and thought-provoking storyline. The video evokes strong emotion, allowing viewers to connect deeply with the struggle and victories depicted. One of the most impactful ways the video engaged the audience challenging stereotype. By addressing and dismantling societal norms surrounding femininity, it encourages viewers to rethink their perception and engage in meaningful discussion about gender roles and expectations. The empowerment theme in the video highlights women's inner strength, also play a vital role in audience engagement. By incorporating cultural elements that reflect experiences of women, the video fosters a sense of identity and connection among viewers. Artistic expression through the blend of music and visuals create a multi-sensory experience that engages the audience on different levels, making the message more impactful and emotionally resonate. To further connect with my audience, I share behind the scenes content to showcase the hard work and the dedication that went into the project. People appreciated these glimpses into the creative process as they saw the effort behind the scene. When I posted about the location, when I posted about the location Reiki, I received positive feedback. Followers were excited that I had chosen Old Lahore due to its color, vintage feel, and aesthetic charm. Many girls related to the choice as they appreciate the nostalgic and artistic atmosphere it brought to the video. I also expanded my outreach by creating a YouTube channel where I uploaded additional content related to the video. The response there was equally encouraging, proving that the video resonated with the broader audience. Finally, when I released the final product, the love and appreciation I received were overwhelming. Even my grandmother watched it and connected with the message, saying they had gone through a similar struggle in their own lives. Perhaps the most rewarding moment was receiving a message from a girl who was deeply moved by the video. At that moment, I felt all my hard work paid off, not just creating a music video but making a meaningful impact on people's life. My music video is a narrative-based project that tells a story unfolding alongside a song, using music to enhance the lyrics and overall theme. The main goal was to understand how different elements interact to create meaning, particularly through symbolism and representation. One of the key areas of research was feminine stereotype and how they shape societal perception by women. By studying these stereotypes in depth, I identified that common limitation placed on women in media and culture. This research guided my decision to portray female characters in empowered roles, emphasizing the hidden strength and talent rather than reinforcing traditional restrictive representation. And other critical aspect of research focused on cultural narrative about femininity. By exploring different cultural perspective, I was able to incorporate diverse experience and value into the visuals, making the narrative more relatable and authentic to a broader audience. The inclusion of cultural element ensured that video does not follow a one-size-fits-all approach, but instead acknowledges the richness and diversity of feminine experience. Symbolic visuals were a major part of the project. My research into visual symbolism helped me identify effective way to convey deeper meanings. Elements such as natural setting, movement, reflection were carefully chosen to represent themes of empowerment, grace, and inner beauty, ensuring that visual aligned with the song's message. Emotional engagement was another crucial factor in shaping the video. By studying storytelling technique in my music video, I gained insight into how to craft relatable character arcs. This knowledge helped me shape the protagonist's journey in a way that allowed viewers to connect emotionally. Encouraging empathy and self-reflection. My research into my media representation underscored the importance of challenging traditional portrayal of women. This influenced my creative choices, particularly in showcasing women's journey of self-discovery and artistic expression, highlighting the multifaceted nature of femininity instead of presenting women as a passive figure seeking external validation. My video promotes internal empowerment and personal growth. My music video challenging traditional convention in multiple ways, particularly in how femininity is represented instead of reinforcing stereotypical portrayals of women as passive or dependent. It presents them a strong, independent, and multifaceted individual. While my mainstream music video rely on relationships, social validation as central theme. My video shifts the focus to self-discovery and artistic expression, emphasizing internal empowerment rather than external approval. Additionally, instead of using over sexuality or superficial aesthetic, my video incorporates symbolic visuals that convey deeper meaning, such as growth, transformation, self-reflection, allowing viewers to engage with the theme on a more profound level. Another way of my video challenge conviction is through empowered representation. Rather than portraying women in a limited or supporting role, my video highlight them as artists, creators, and leaders taking control of their own narrative. That disrupt that common media trope of women being portrayed as fragile or secondary character. Moreover, cultural diversity is a key element as my video incorporate traditional and cultural influences to represent a broader and more exclusive perspective on femininity, moving away from the one-size-fits-all portrayal often seen in mainstream media. In terms of emotional depth, my video avoids simplistic or commercialized theme and instead delves into complex struggle and triumphs of womanhood. By portraying a real person experience, it resonates more deeply with the audience, making the representation more authentic and meaningful. Additionally, my approach to the aesthetic and cinematography differ from conventional music video. Rather than following predictable visual trends, my video utilize natural setting. I actually use night light as well, without any LED light, any supporting light. I use that light I take a shot at night as well to represent women there as well. So rather than following predictable visual trends, my video utilized natural setting. I actually use nighttime light as well without the help of any LED light and anything. Organic movement and a raw emotion, creating a unique and impressive experience. This artistic approach reinforces the thematic depth of the project and encourages viewers to reflect on the message beyond just the visuals. By combining symbolism, emotional storytelling, and a focus on empowerment, Raze Hunar redefines femininity beyond societal expectations. offering an alternative perspective that challenges stereotypes, celebrates individuality, and encourages women to embrace their true selves. Through careful research into feminine stereotype and cultural narrative, media representation, and visual symbolism, I was able to inform my creative decision and develop a music video that challenges conventional portrayals of women. By combining symbolism, emotional depth, and focus on empowerment, Raze Hunar present an alternative perspective, one that encourages self discovery, confidence, and redefining femininity beyond societal expectation. And the one thing more that the song I chose was on the video was the lyrical video. I made the narrative based video, and choosing the song was also a very crucial part of the video because like I want to use that song that portrays that the struggle of the woman, and I guess the song I chose, the Main Hu Kaun, was the best decision ever. And a special thanks to my art protagonist Fatiha. She has done an tremendous job.